Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to manage guidance for stop signs on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Then let's find and select here the settings, so this gear icon. From the settings, you need to choose the second tab. So from the left menu, let's choose the second tab. Then you need to scroll down a few times to the bottom of the list until you see guidance for stop signs. So, as you can see, this is a proactive safety layer. The GPS knows the exact coordinates of stop sign. If the system detects that your vehicle is maintaining a speed that suggests you might roll through or miss a stop sign entirely, it will trigger a chime or display a prominent stop icon on the screen. So in my case, I'm using both display and sound protection, but you can, for example, use only display or completely turn it off. But I usually recommend to have here enabled both display and sound. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.